the quickest and simplest pancake you'll ever make by holistic chefs. Let's begin. First, we're going to take 1 cup of gluten-free oat flour and pour that directly into the food processor. We're going to follow that up with 2 ripe bananas, and then we're going to use 2 eggs. You can substitute this with 2 flax eggs if you'd prefer. Cinnamon and vanilla extract, as well as salt, are put directly into the blender with batter and stirred. Then we're going to pan-sear these on our frying pan or griddle and enjoy with some maple syrup and fresh fruit. Follow us on Instagram at Holistic Chefs. Like this video if you found the content useful. Go ahead and subscribe here at Holistic Chefs.